Hey, Namaskar children. This is Disha ma'am, and yes, we are going to learn English. Now, yesterday we completed chapter number 18, that is comparison of degrees, and I hope you all have done your homework. तो अब जब when we have almost completed our syllabus for PA2, what are we going to do now? Today I'm going to introduce a very new topic in today's video. Writing में अगर मैं बात करूँ तो we have studied how to write paragraph, how to describe a picture, how to write letters, how to complete the dialogues when you are speaking. So dialogue delivery, dialogue entry we have learned. Today we are going to see a new form of writing, that is diary entry या diary writing जिसे बोलते हैं. Now children, first of all you need to understand what is diary writing. Diary writing माने, see, lot of people have a habit of maintaining a diary. Right? Let's say for example, अगर आप कहीं कोई मीटिंग में बैठे हैं, if we take examples of some people who are working in an office or those who are teachers or all, we have so many things to work upon. In that case, what we do is we maintain a diary. Suppose आज का दिन है, तो today is 11th of October, so we will mention today's date. एंड जो भी चीज़ें आज हमने करी है या जो भी इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ें रह गई है, व्हाट द थिंग्स विच यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन, थिंग्स विच यू आर प्लानिंग टू डू, मे बी टुमारो, मे बी नेक्स्ट मंथ, मे बी नेक्स्ट वीक, राइट? सो यू कैन मेंशन दैट इन राइटिंग इन योर डायरी. व्हाट हैपन्स बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू नो कि आपने क्या क्या काम कर लिए हैं और आपके क्या क्या काम बाकी है. दूसरा, मेंटेनिंग अ डायरी makes you understand of the value of the time that you have been doing. Suppose एक काम करने के लिए, if आज अगर मैंने डायरी में लिखा है that I watched TV for 3 hours, so after a week जब मैं वो पेज पढ़ती हूँ तब मुझे ये सोच आता है कि अरे मैंने I have wasted 3 hours for watching a TV. Instead of that I could watch TV for like you guys say 1 hour or 2 hour maximum. 3 hours is quite a long time. तो 1 घंटे में, उस 1 घंटे में मैं दूसरा क्या कर सकती हूँ? You know, you can plan your day accordingly if you are having a habit of maintaining a diary. If I tell you about myself, when I was young, मैं जब छोटी थी तब my grandfather, my nana used to tell me that you should always write a diary. So I always had a practice before going to sleep at night. मैं जब सोने जाती थी उससे पहले I would write what sort of things I've done in the whole day. Right? आज क्या अच्छा हुआ, आज क्या बुरा हुआ. If my friend fought with me, then I was mentioning that incident. If I found a chocolate or somebody gave me a chocolate, I used to write it, everything. So I had a habit of maintaining a diary. That was like I used to practice it from a very, very young age, you know. Slowly and gradually, I came to know that it increases your vocabulary, plus it gives you acknowledgement about what sort of work you have done. आपने क्या चीज़ मिस कर दी है और क्या चीज़ आपको करनी थी. Third, you will remember every minute details. See, आज मैंने कुछ अच्छा किया तो पॉसिबली मैं कल याद रखूँगी, परसों तक याद रखूँगी, पॉसिबली वीक if I'm good in memorizing the thing. So, but when it is being written in the diary, every small thing, if it is written in the diary, after years and years also, if I'm reading it, वो scene मेरे सामने आ जाता है. Understood? So maintaining a diary or diary entry is a very useful, you can say, propaganda to have a good daily routine. You know, आप तो you are very young, आप तो बहुत छोटे हो, तो what you can do is you can write a small paragraph about what you have done today. लाइक आज आपने क्या इंपॉर्टेंट किया आपके, अगर आप रात को बैठते हो, थिंक अबाउट दैट टुडे इन द होल थ्रू आउट द होल डे व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स डिड आई डू, कौन सी चीज़ें अच्छी करी थी, कौन सी चीज़ें आई प्लान एंड आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू डू, सो दिस वुड मेक यू, एक तो इनकलकेट हो जाएगी हैबिट ऑफ राइटिंग, राइट. सेकेंड थिंग, इट वुड गिव यू a proper knowledge about words and sentences slowly and gradually. It is not that overnight आज डायरी लिखना शुरू कर दो और कल से तुमको आ जाएगा, नहीं, right. Slowly and gradually it would improve your writing skills, plus you will come to know about the time management कि मैं कौन से काम में कितना टाइम दे सकती हूँ या दे सकता हूँ. Alright, so there are so many things or so many benefits of diary writing, and it is a very essential part of writing when it comes to English literature. Alright, so basically diary entry is something that we need to develop. ये skill है जो हमें enhance करनी चाहिए, जो हमें develop करनी चाहिए, and that would come slowly and gradually only. Clear? चलिए, so in this book we have a diary writing, and we will discuss that how the diary is been maintained, and as per that we would be doing some more exercise. Okay, चलिए, तो ready? Let us go for it then. चलिए, now let us open the book. चलिए, this is page 126. 126 is having a question of diary entry, right? Here you will go through the things which one has done throughout the day. So let us see what the question is first. Writing a diary entry is like talking to a close friend. Yes, one of the most important benefit जो मैं आपको बताना भूल गई is that see, अगर आपने कोई secret अपने friend के साथ share किया है तो possible है that कभी ना कभी वो बोल दे, right? But diary entry is, or diary is a close friend of yours जो कभी आपका secret बोलता नहीं है. Clear? So writing a diary entry is like talking to a close friend. You can easily share your thoughts and feelings about the events of the day, your plans for the future and your secrets. क्या क्या चीज़ें कर सकते हैं? You can plan out or you can talk about your feelings, your thought. आपके दिमाग में क्या thoughts चल रहे हैं या आपको क्या करना है. Then you can write about the events of the day, as we discussed, as I told you that you can go through that events कि क्या क्या चीज़ें मैंने throughout the day मैंने करी है, what sort of things I have not done that I have to do tomorrow, right? Your plans, what planning are you doing? Suppose I want to become a doctor, so what planning am I doing for today to become or to see me as a doctor in 2032 33, राइट. अभी 2020 चल रहा है, मे बी पॉसिबली 12-15 साल बाद अगर मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ तो what sort of plans I'll be doing, मुझे क्या प्लान आउट करना चाहिए, what would make me more, what would bring me rather more nearer to my wish or to my plans. And your secrets, yes, as I told you that it would have your secrets with you. And ये डायरी का पेज में it's like unless and until you don't allow it to read to somebody, nobody reads anybody's diary. And that is known as an etiquette, human etiquette है कि किसी की इजाज़त के बगैर nobody can read anybody's diary, है ना. चलिए, so this is a diary, and the question is, we begin a diary entry with the date. Yes, we already mentioned the date, as I told you that सबसे पहले date mention करेंगे. Then we write what or who the entry is about. Then we express our thoughts about the event, day or person. Read Ria's diary entry describing her first day at the camping trip, right? It is about the first day at the camping trip. There is a girl named Ria and she went to the camping, and from there she has mentioned the first day of the campaign, right? Chale. So date 10th April. Everyone put your finger on what I'm reading. I just had the best day of my life. Yes, because ये डे खत्म होने के बाद लिख रहे हो, आप रात को डायरी लिख रहे हो, so your day ended, right? This was my first ever camping trip. The day began early as I boarded the school bus at 5 a.m. The journey itself was quite fun. There was no traffic on the roads in the morning. Even the evil traffic lights did not dare stop us. The air was cool despite it being summer. The campsite was straight out of postcard. I can't wait to show the pictures to my family. It is near a calm lake that is surrounded by woods on 3 sides. I learned how to set a tent. It was tiring, but once I finished, I was proud of my little tent. The best part of the day was a hike through a trail in the woods. During the hike, the instructor showed us many different trees, flowers, insects, birds, and small animals. The trail ended near a small waterfall. A waterfall I would only seen one in pictures. I guess I should stop here. I can't even sleep thinking about what I will see tomorrow. See, it is been parted into 3 parts. What माने क्या? Personal comments that with this experience जो आप लिख रहे हो उसमें आपका personal comments क्या था? What are you sharing? And personal feelings, what you think. Right here, what you have experienced, and here what you are thinking. This is just for your information. What personal comments and personal feelings, this is just for information. आप पूरी डायरी में या पूरी राइटिंग में you can see that it goes one by one. She has discussed about, because it was first day of her camping trip, so Ria has discussed about her camping trip, then क्या क्या हुआ और उसकी तरफ उसकी फीलिंग क्या है वो, right? Beautifully described diary. Now I'll explain it to you how and what she is writing and what is the inner meaning of this diary. I'll read the question again. Read Ria's diary entry describing her first day at the camping trip. So it is the first day of her camping and she is going to the camping. She has finished her day and she is writing this diary. So first of all, we would write the date, right? 10th of April. So we will be writing 11th of October if we are writing today then. I just had the best day of my life. This was my first ever camping trip, right? She knows that she expresses that it is one of the finest day अब तक जो मैंने experience किया है, because it was the first ever camping trip जो मैं गई हूँ forest में, जो मैं camping के लिए गई हूँ. This is the very first day. The day began early as I boarded the school bus at 5 a.m. Very casual, because once you are going for a picnic, you have to leave early ताकि आप जब 9-9:30 बजते तब तक आप अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंच जाए and you can explore things. The journey itself was quite fun. There was no traffic on the roads in the morning. Even the evil traffic lights did not dare stop us. Right? She is mentioning beautifully that there was no traffic, as well as because traffic नहीं था तो जो ग्रीन लाइट्स थी, रेड लाइट्स थी, हमारे यहाँ तो खैर नहीं होती है मोरबी में, बट देन मेट्रो सिटीज़ हैव दिस ट्रैफिक सिग्नल्स दैट वी ऑलरेडी नो. सो दिस ट्रैफिक सिग्नल्स वेर ऑल्सो you can say they were not disturbing this buses, school buses. The air was cool despite it being summer. Now why was it cool? Because it was summer morning, and summer morning जो time होता है that is filled with cool air. It's not cool wind, but it is cool air, right? The campsite was straight out of a postcard. माने here she is using something that वो लोग जहाँ पे जा रहे थे, you know, that kind of thing she has only seen in a postcard. जब भी आप कभी फिल्मों में देखते हो, if you have seen बजरंगी भाईजान, then बजरंगी भाईजान, right? So if you have seen बजरंगी भाईजान, then जो लड़की जहाँ से बिलोंग करती है ना, शी इज़ नॉट नोइंग द नेम ऑफ द प्लेस, बट शी शी आइडेंटिफाइज द प्लेस फ्रॉम अ पिक्चर. सो दिस कैंप साइट जहाँ पे ये लोग जा रहे थे, रिया हैज़ seen this kind of a picture only in postcards. Clear? I can't wait to show the pictures to my family. It is near a calm lake that is surrounded by woods on 3 sides. Right? जब ये लोग यहाँ camping करने गए, this was almost a forest area where it was surrounded by woods माने forest. Right? So it was near a calm lake जहाँ पे पानी भी था and forest area भी covered up था. I learned how to set a tent. It was tiring, but once I finished, I was proud of my little tent. Right? Obviously, जब आप किसी चीज़ के पीछे मेहनत करते हो, किसी प्रोग्राम को लेके, if you are going out of your job, you enjoy working that, or you enjoy seeing that. If आपकी मम्मा ने अगर फर्स्ट टाइम केक बेक किया है, so she would be enjoying. If you are making something new by yourself, अगर आप आर्ट रूम में जाते हो और if you make a small quilling flower, you feel proud when you see that quilled flower, because वो अपने आप से बनाया, आपने बनाया है, right? So in the same way, Riya was also feeling proud once she saw this tent. The best part of the day was a hike through a trail in the woods. During the hike, the instructor showed us many different trees, flowers, insects, and small birds. The trail ended near a small waterfall. A waterfall I would only seen one in the pictures. I guess I should stop here. I can't even sleep thinking about what we will see tomorrow. Right? Hike is, if you know, it's kind of like आपके कमर पे बेल्ट बांधा होता है ना, you need to go from here to there. That is known as a trail, right? So means in a trail that, right? So she experiences that trail and she says that ये trail कहाँ ख़त्म हुआ? It ended near a small waterfall, जहाँ पे एक झरना बह रहा था. Waterfall was there, and a waterfall, wow, what a beautiful scene. आप एक बार imagine करो, close your eyes and just imagine that there is a small tent near a river, and you are in a deep jungle, and you are with your friends. So it's a very exciting, adventurous thing. She was also feeling the same excitement. Alright, so during the hike, the instructor showed us many different trees, flowers, insects, birds, and small animals. The trail ended near a small waterfall. A waterfall I would only seen one in the pictures. I guess I should stop here. I can't even sleep thinking about what I will see tomorrow. Right? She is excited that अभी तो ये मेरा पहला दिन है, अभी तो मुझे इसमें 2-4 दिन और बिताने हैं, तो I'm so excited to see what would happen next. Right? Isn't it a beautiful diary? Right. Now I guess you guys understood what is diary writing. Clear? Let us read once more so that the idea about diary writing is clear to all of you. Date 10th April. I just had the best day of my life. This was my first ever camping trip. The day began early as I boarded the school bus at 5 a.m. The journey itself was quite fun. There was no traffic on the roads in the morning. Even the evil traffic lights did not dare stop us. The air was cool despite it being summer. The campsite was straight out of a postcard. I can't wait to show the pictures of my family. It is near a lake that is surrounded by woods on 3 sides. I learned how to set a tent. It was tiring, but once finished, I was proud of my little tent. The best part of the day was a hike through the trail in woods. During the hike, the instructor showed us many different trees, flowers, insects, birds, and small animals. The trail ended near a small waterfall. A waterfall I would only seen one in the pictures. I guess I should stop here. I can't even sleep thinking about what I'll see tomorrow. Right? Now, children, today's homework would be you have to write a diary entry describing about the first day at school. Right? We have always been in the school every year, first day. Right? So imagine that you are going to a new school. It is the first day and you are maintaining a diary entry. After the day gets over, जब आप शाम को जिस दिन आज स्कूल जैसे जाके आए हो अब रात को बैठ के लिख रहे हो यू आर मेंटेनिंग और यू आर राइटिंग अ डायरी राइट ट्राई एंड राइट think with an active imagination, try to make more sentences, right? So today's homework would be maintain or write a diary entry describing the first day at school. Clear? Chaliye, you can write your name also. Don't forget to write the format, that is the date. Clear? And there is no salutation, no signature, nothing. It is just the date. Clear? So today's homework would be writing a diary entry describing about the first day at school. Done? Chaliye. If you wish, you can WhatsApp me the image of what you have written in the diary. Right? अगर आप you should be writing this diary entry in the notebook. ये CW लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, just the HW. Right? So write that in the notebook. But if you want, you can send the picture in the personal WhatsApp. Clear? Chaliye. Till we meet tomorrow. This is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye. Take care. Children, I'm sorry. बीच में मेरी daughter की आवाज़ आ रही है, but ignore her. She's playing here. So don't worry. Concentrate on what we have did today, and don't forget to do the homework. Right? Chaliye. Take care. Bye bye, bache.